Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you undo a change in your Google Ads account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to undo a change in your Google Ads account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing Google Ads, you know that sometimes you make a change in the account that you didn't mean to, or maybe you did it to the wrong ad group or campaign. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Google Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to undo a change that you made in your Google Ads, here on the left side, you're going to click on campaigns. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop down menu, and you want to click on change history. Okay, next you're going to see a list of all of the recent changes that you made in your Google Ads account here at the bottom. So you can go ahead and just scroll through until you see the change that you want to undo. Now, one thing I want to let you know is that the majority of changes that you make in Google Ads, you can go ahead and undo within 30 days. If it goes past 30 days, you're not going to be able to undo it. Also, like I said, most changes can be undone. However, there are some structural changes. If you delete campaigns or ad groups, those usually can't be undone. But if you can undo the change in your Google Ads, you're going to scroll through, and then right below the change, you're going to see this blue button, undo, and you're just going to click on there. Okay, next you're going to get this pop-up from Google Ads, and it's going to show the change that was made, and they're asking, are you sure you want to undo the following change? If so, go ahead and click on undo right here. I'm not going to do that because I need that change to take place. So let me go ahead and cancel out of this. Okay, next let me scroll down to a change that doesn't have the undo button and show you what that looks like. Okay, so as you can see, here is a change that I made, and underneath it, there is no button to undo the change. If you look here, it says changes can't be undone, unfortunately. So it has a dotted line under it, so you can click on it for more information. And basically, it just lets you know that some changes inside of your Google Ads account can't be undone. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to undo a change that you made inside your Google Ads account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.